Hi, I'm Ray. Well, we're in November and we've still got our tomatoes growing. So we're going to overwinter our tomatoes and see if we can get them to grow for next year. So this is the tomato plant and it's been left to grow on, just doing its own thing now, growing all over the place. So let's take our cutting. Our tomatoes are nice shape. They're not going to grow on the plant anymore, so we're going to take some cuttings. So this branch here is perfect for our cuttings. So I'm just going to take a cutting of this and cut it right by the stem, and there we go. That's absolutely perfect for overwintering. So let me know in the comments, have you still got tomato plants growing outside in November? And have you taken any cuttings? You're going to overwinter any, and that'd be great. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Cheers. So this is the tomato plant that we've taken a cutting of. We want to save them because look at these lovely tomatoes, absolutely wonderful, and we want to save them and regrow them in the summer. So we've taken our cutting off the plant, but this has got far too many leaves and branches, so I'm just going to cut off some of the branches we don't need. And we've got a sucker coming out here. We're going to remove the suckers. We're going to cut this plant just here by the leaf. We're going to cut this one. We just want to leave a couple of leaves, and then we're going to cut the main branch. So that is our cutting that we're going to save. We've got a couple of leaves and we've got a stem with a branch nook just here. And then all we're going to do is take our bottle of water and we're just going to place our cutting in our bottle of water, and there we go. And this is going to sit by a windowsill so it gets plenty of light. We'll keep an eye on the water. We'll change the water in about 3 or 4 days, giving it fresh water, and then it will start producing roots from the main stem just here where the old joint was. So there we go. So let me know in the comments, have you still got tomatoes growing in the garden in November? Let me know in the comments. Have you taken any cuttings to overwinter your tomatoes? Let me know, and that'd be wonderful. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like my video. Send me a hype, and we can see whether we can get some more videos for our tomatoes for the following year. Look at that. Whoa. Cheers.